What is going on, everyone? I am your girl VCoop. You know I mean dime piece in the VCoop to be exact. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, man. And you can do all of that right beneath this video, including ringing that notification bell so you could know what I got coming up next. Alright? So look, my hair looking a little weird, huh? Bump it. We're gonna do Migos, the visual to their video Avalanche. The visual to their song Avalanche. They album just dropped today, Cultural 3. We'll get into that later, alright? But today we're gonna get into the visual. Let's check it out. I love that RR though. We about to get a jazz feel of things right here.
How would I describe this album? It's a level up, you know what I'm saying, masterpiece.
My boy Cho was inspired, you know what I'm saying, listening.
I'm rocking with this right here. It's definitely boss status.
Good, beautiful music.
From all angles. Let me go back just a little bit so I can hear what they're saying.
You know what I'm saying, listening to good, beautiful music, you know what I'm saying, that soulful music. So
we took it back to the roots, we took it back to the bando, took it back to the north side.
Papa was a Rolling Stone, but now I got Rolling Stones in the bezel. Mama at home all alone, hustling, trying to keep this shit together. Young niggas smoking on gas, I'm living too fast, my foot on the pedal. If I go back to the past, my niggas ain't know we'll be rocking Coachella.
That man Quavo be snapping.
The term Rolling Stone relate to me because we just felt like we the Rolling Stones, we the greatest group in the world, we the foundation to our families. We ain't never had no pop, so we feel like we our three fathers and we the big dogs.
I definitely agree they the best group of all time. I definitely agree with that shit.
Fathers and we the big dogs.
Came with extra cheddar. I can see through the fuck shit. I think that my skills getting better. With a stick I'm at peace, Mandela. I'm willing to feed whoever. How can I help you? Nobody judge you but God. You can watch us beat the odds. This ain't no cat, no facade. Young, rich, and black, and we gon' beat the charge. I'm spending cash, no card. I'm liking her natural ass, no fraud. If she got a fake ass, of course, girl, ain't nothing wrong with enhancing is yours. From the back, we enjoy. 100 rack, I'ma tap with my boys. Got the clip poking out, we be showing. Anybody check out, we be knowing. In and out, we be going. On a 757 Boeing. And my AP same size as the phone. Better get you some bread where you from. I spend my meals on the crib. Cover myself, F&N is my shield. I spend the dime, go run you a drip. If you do the time, come home to a meal. Double my.
It's just something about his flow that can't nobody touch this man.
Dime, go run you a drill. If you do the time, come home to a meal. Double my seal, sign another deal. G6 pills, money give me chills. I make the bitch hit her knees, she kneel. I make the stick hit when I'm in the field. I make your bitch lick it up like ill. Spend 100 racks on the teeth, not a grill.
We just always challenge ourselves to be better and greater and to develop our sound. It's been a long time coming, you know what I'm saying? So we mastered the different flows, you know what I'm saying? This project gonna be special to the culture.
Bitches, they DM, they still in my thread. They ain't never give us our cred. Cut it rose gold with the face ruby red. Put a hole in your head, not your leg.
And then he got the pain with it. Like, his junk different, bruh. Like, I don't know.
Put my hands on her head, she a ped. M-I-G-O, nigga, that's the said. Fuck that P.O., I'ma just ped. White guts in my Lambo, it look like it's albino. I hate your bitch, she said, ouch, hit a high note. I'm rich and rich.
Oh, I gotta rewind that one.
Bino, I hate your bitch, she said, ouch, hit a high note. I'm rich and rich, like Lino. Count your blessings, don't worry about the rivals. Grandma told me, go read the Bible. Should've listened, still look at the sky though. Sippin', this not the Moscato. Bitch, I'm gifted, I'm smoking gelato. We been a nigga that steppin', we came in the door when they taking the flow, call it repo.
And what, dang, did I forget his name? That's Takeoff, right? Definitely Takeoff. Dog don't waste no time, bruh. And he be so wavy, so cool, so soda with it.
My doggy gon' bite, no Chico. Get hit with the Draco and make him with Rico. Ain't shopping Rodeo. You wanna see the three Migos, then turn on your Vivo.
Just put us up there with the great. You know what I mean? That's it.
They must forgot we the Migos. Straight from the north out the bando. I done been quiet for too long.
We miss y'all. I Put my hard on, we put our hard on, you know what I'm saying? Blood, sweat, and tears and everything.
I done been luck out the new home. Avalanche with the blue stone. I'm the shit, can't find the fit. My neck is a fridge, the rings and breasts. Can't find the fit, my neck is a fridge, the rings and breasts. I retro the kicks, ain't giving no kiss, I'm giving a dick. You stand too long like you seen a ghost, so whip out your camera, take you a pic. So when you get home, get back on your phone, zoom in on the flick and look at the drip. She asked me to pay for the ass to get lift. I told her I'm better off giving you a lift. Think I'ma put all my trust in the home.
I'm better off sending you off.
Think I'ma put all my trust in the hoe with no benefit till I go jump off a cliff. I go 230 a cup of that purple, put ice in my drink just to keep it on chill. Fuck all that talk, you ain't been in the field. Open my bank account, nigga, me chills. Take off.
Yeah, this was worth it.
Coming with it. It's a 3, it's a trilogy.
Cut your stereo all the way up, fire you one up, press play from the top. Don't skip.
Bet.
Close your
Okay.
3. We gone.
Alright then, I see y'all boys. I am your girl InAVeeCoop. You know I mean dime piece in the InAVeeCoop to be exact. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, man. And you can do all of that right beneath this video, including ringing that notification bell so you can know what I got coming up next. Till next time.